I had no clue that birds also went dumpster diving. Interesting. I don't know what he's found, but he looks quite surprised to me. Yep, he's shocked. I don't know what he's found, but he's surprised. What are you so surprised about? What did you see in there? Oh, he's called for backup. Wow, he's surprised too. Look at him. He's shocked. They're both shocked. Bloody hell. Look at that. Both got their mouths wide open. They're in utter shock now. What did you see in there? What did you see? See a hamburger? This is America. Hamburgers everywhere. He's traumatized. He's running away. He's still in utter shock. He can't believe what the fuck he's just seen in that bin. Whatever it is, it must be incredible. I've never seen a bird in utter shock. Not like this. I'll tell you what, mate. I don't think I'm going to have a look in there. If you're paralysed from what you've seen, mate, I'm probably not going to see myself. I'll stay away from that bin, yeah?